Hello everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X, and my voice starts to hurt because I've made like 4 tutorials. I'm making like more than 10 tutorials today. Hopefully more than 10. I don't know exactly. But today we're gonna get over the enemy AI, and it's very simple to do, believe me. Let's just so first of all, let's just create a new class. Let's call it the enemy, and in the enemy class it's gonna extend entity. Okay, let's create a constructor for it, and okay, now we don't need to work on the enemy as much as we need to do on the actual player, because there is no user input. It's gonna be almost identical to the player itself. So let's start with this dot pause X is gonna be on the other side of the screen. So this dot tennis dot display width minus this dot width minus 16f. Okay, next this dot pause y is equal to tennis dot display height divided by 2 minus this dot height divided by 2. Okay, and finally this dot height times equal 5. Okay, now because it's so similar to our player, we're gonna shamelessly copy a lot of the stuff here. For example, the onUpdate method, take it and Control V. Okay, of course we don't have an handle input, but float. Now, okay, let me say something to you. The algorithm we're making is not like a neural network or anything like that. It's very simple. It follows the balls. Once the ball gets out of the height of the enemy, it just follows the way the ball goes up or down, and it won't fail. So what we need to do is create a variable of mistake. Yeah. So, god damn it, I was doing that. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry. But we need down here another method, a public float get rand time with float min, minimum, and a float max. Now we're just gonna return min plus float math dot random times max. So this is the random. So if you want to use this runtime, you're gonna need to set the minimum and the maximum numbers, and just you see what it does. So we're gonna need a variable right in the on update method. It's gonna be a float mistake, and it's gonna be equal to tennis dot get in time. And I find if we want it to be fast 5.1 and minus 5.1 and 5.1 should be great. Now remember the F's. Now this dot motion y equals to this dot pause y minus tennis dot the ball dot position y bigger than 0. Now this equation doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Yeah, question mark actually, minus this dot speed plus mistake this dot speed plus mistake. I don't find a lot of sense in here, but doesn't matter, it works, right? Now we also need to get in our player and copy this move. Here we go. I'm pretty sure that's actually it. You know, for the enemy class. Now let's go to tennis and do what we always do, and create a public enemy. Let's call it the enemy. So I'm real tired now. Now tennis dot the enemy equals to a new enemy with tennis. Okay, great. Now go to the world and right under the ball or above the ball, below the player, this dot entities dot add tennis dot the enemy. Now if we run this right now, it said that there is no collision with the enemy, but there is collision with us. So let's just fix it real quick, real quick. And right here in the ball class, when we set the collision variable, the boolean collision factor, just straight and just the two lines, and this dot rect dot interacts with tennis dot the enemy dot rect, and now there is collision with the enemy, as you can see right here. And the enemy is extremely smart. Of course now it's gonna make a mistake because of the large range that we set for it, but you can also do it like something like 0.0 and basically just wait 0.1, and also or 0.0 you can make that it cannot make a mistake. This is really hard to beat actually. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned, and next video is gonna be the last video of the Pong series. I know it's real sad, but we gotta do it. Now, next video is gonna be about the small things. Things that, you know, for the eye, like we're gonna, like, you see colors and stuff like that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.
Let it go.